So, if you're new to dancing, you just bought this course just to learn about Adwords on YouTube, I'm going to show you some dances you can try. There's Brazilian Zouk, is a brilliant dance, so Google search that, and it's such great fun. The scene's growing every year, it's getting more and more popular, and it's a really cool lifestyle. You go travel around the world dancing, it's awesome. Another dance that's really good fun, if you want to try something simple, is forró. Forró is a very basic Brazilian dance. It's great fun. You can see this video, like forró has like 31 million views. So that's what I mean. The dancing is just getting better and better. And another good dance to try is samba de gafieira. So this is quite new in London. It's getting more and more popular. So I'm sure you'd enjoy it. If you can find some samba gafieiras in your local area, it's brilliant fun. So here's samba gafieira. Another dance you could try is very popular. Is kazumba, so just do kazumba dance there. You can see people dancing kazumba, so check out these videos. It's a really good dance is great. You'd really enjoy it, and it keeps you healthy, keeps you fit, gets you meeting new people. Just one more I recommend is bachata, which is really coming super popular this year, so it's done really good. And you can see there's bachata videos here, so give it a go. So having watched this course, I recommend you think about going out, dancing, and enjoying it. So thanks for watching this video, and look forward to seeing you in the next one.